All right, so you guys sent in some stuff about pressure washing.
Uh-huh.
And I got to say, these before and after pictures from Wellington pressure cleaning.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, seriously impressive. I'm talking total home transformations.
Yeah, it's amazing what a good cleaning can do.
So I'm thinking you're either thinking about sprucing up your own place or just like fascinated by this whole like power of a good pressure wash. Am I right?
Yeah, I think you hit the nail on the head. Those visuals are just marketing gold, you know?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
There's a reason those before pictures, they always show like the grimiest spots. They tap right into that desire to improve.
They know what we want.
Exactly. And then they hit you with the after, and it's like instant gratification, problem solved.
Oh my gosh, it's so true.
Right.
They know what's bugging us. They know what we're thinking about, you know?
Yeah.
Everyone has that one spot right.
Mm-hmm.
The one you keep meaning to get to, but you just haven't yet. For me, it's the patio furniture.
Yeah.
What about you? What instantly comes to mind?
Oh, gosh. Probably the siding on the north side of my house. It just gets so much mildew.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you know, it's funny because the source mentions those common pain points you just talked about.
Okay.
Driveways, roofs, patios, they're always exposed to the elements, right?
Right, yeah.
So it's just natural that they're going to accumulate dirt, mildew, algae, all that stuff. And pressure cleaning, you know, really cuts through all that grime.
Okay, but here's where I get a little nervous.
Okay.
Pressure washing, it just sounds so intense to me.
Yeah.
Like, am I going to blast away more than just dirt, you know?
Sure.
But then they mentioned soft washing.
Uh-huh.
What is that?
So that is a much gentler approach.
Okay.
Soft washing uses specialized cleaning solutions to loosen the dirt before a low-pressure rinse.
Okay.
So think of it this way. Traditional pressure washing is like using a hammer.
Okay.
And soft washing is more like a scalpel. You know, they both have their uses, but you wouldn't use a hammer on delicate surfaces, would you?
That's a good point, speaking of the wrong tool for the job.
Yeah.
I once tried pressure washing my deck.
Uh-oh.
And, well, let's just say a chunk of wood went missing. Lesson learned.
Yeah.
But anyway, back to this company. Their tagline is pretty cute.
Yeah.
Every home deserves to shine.
It's a good one.
Maybe a little cheesy, but I get the sentiment.
Yeah, no, it's catchy. And, you know, it actually speaks to something important.
Okay.
Pride and ownership.
Yeah.
It's not just about aesthetics when you take care of your home. It's about investing in your property and even contributing to a sense of community pride.
That's a really good point. I like that.
Yeah.
And, hey, if you're in the Wellington area and ready to get your shine on, Under Pressure Power Wash LLC is ready to help.
There you go.
But, you know, even if you're not picking up the phone, this deep dive got me thinking.
Yeah, me too.
Well, it's really all about those small steps we can take, you know, to improve our spaces. Maybe it's finally tackling that stubborn stain or just giving the front porch a good scrub.
Yeah, just get out there.
Maybe even discover a passion for pressure washing.
Yeah, who knows, right?
Right, avoid taking a chunk out of the deck.
Yeah, that's key.
But seriously, though, think about it. What's your before and after project waiting to happen? Time to make that home shine.
That's right.
All right, thanks for listening to The Deep Dive.
See you next time.